B of the governor's
Order, honorable senators. There is a lot of loud consultations. Kindly, let's hear the witness in silence.
Volume 1B, the governor's bundle, is marked as KM9A at page 53.
Yes, I am not copied in that letter.
That letter dated 18th June. Are you copied?
I am not.
How did you become aware?
By virtue of my position as a county executive committee member.
How did you become aware? Were you copied?
I am not copied in the letter.
How did you become aware with the information?
By virtue of my position in the county executive.
Who informed you?
Yeah.
Who informed you?
The county secretary.
Is he testifying in this Senate today?
No.
Now, there was a response that you responded to the various requests by the county assembly, particularly the letter by the clerk seeking clarification on the missing information. That letter is to be found to be found in page 60 of the same bundle, the governor's bundle. It's marked as KM9H.
Yes, I'm there.
Is received 21st July 2023. Is a letter by the office of the clerk. Now, Mr. Munene, I kindly refer you to the last paragraph of that letter.
Yes.
Can you kindly read the last paragraph?
Yes.
Page 60. The Governor's Bundle, Volume 1B.
Kindly also feel free to provide any other additional information regarding the nominations that may facilitate the county assembly to effectively discharge its mandate. We look forward to your response and clarifications.
And the preceding paragraph, we are therefore?
We are therefore kindly asking for more information / clarification regarding the availability / existence of vacancies in the offices within which the nominations are being made in order to facilitate their transmission to the county assembly for consideration. This will enable the county assembly to...
Stop there, Bwana Munene. Okay. Did you ever forward a response in terms of providing the necessary information as required by the clerk?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Where is the evidence? Kindly take us to the evidence, quickly.
It's on page 54, volume 1B, Governor's Bundle of Documents.
Did you provide the evidence on the further and better particulars as sought in terms of further information?
It is talking / clarifications. It is providing a clarification.
Now, let me take you to our bundle where were you not appointing members of the board to non-existent positions or positions that have already been filled up?
No.
Honorable members, we are referring to page 52 of the County Assembly response. Volume 2, Honorable Senators. Page 52, Volume 2 of the County Assembly documents. It's at page 52, Volume 2 of the County Assembly documents, exhibits. Now, Bwana Munene, can you kindly read out that Gazette notice? Page 52, Honorable Senators.
Should I read from here?
Mr. Mwenye, very quickly, time is not with us. Can you read out the Gazette notice number?
Gazette notice number 538, the Constitution of Kenya, the County Government
Time,
Act.
Mr. Mwenye, can you go to the content of the Gazette notice? It is notified.
Okay. It is notified for public information that the governor of the county government of Meru has extended the period of appointment of the Meru County Revenue Bond contained in Gazette Notice number 5202 of 2017 for a period of 3 years with effect from the 15th December 2020.
So is that not an extension of the office bearers then?
Yes, it is.
As at 15th December 2020?
As at 6th December 2020. The Gazette Notice
expiring
is dated,
for a period of?
The Gazette Notice is
Mr.
dated 6th December 2020.
It's dated 15th
And it
November.
says that the extension will be with effect with 15th December 2020.
When was the extension to expire? When was it to expire, Mr. Munene?
On 14th December 2023.
14th December
2023.
Now, in your letter dated 18th
September 2023.
In your letter, the letter at the governor's bundle, honorable senators, at page 54. When you read that as against the county, the letter by the county, the office of the clerk at page 60. Mr. Munene, at page 60 of the governor's bundle, Mr. Munene at page 60, we are therefore kindly asking for more information, clarification regarding the availability, existence of vacancies in the office within which the nominations are being made. Is that so?
Which paragraph is that?
Wasn't the clerk asking for information as to which office the members were being nominated to?
Yes, through clarification.
As at 21st July 2023?
Yes.
And that is what you responded by your letter dated 18 September 2023?
Yes.
Did you supply information as to which office that you are nominating those members?
It sought information through clarification.
Did you supply?
Yes, the clarification.
Yes or no?
supplied.
Did you supply? Did you clarify that the office was already having office bearers?
Yes.
Were these office bearers in office on 18 September 2023?
Yes.
To which office were you nominating members?
The nominees of the County Revenue Board are made in anticipation of their lapse of term on 14th December 2023. That is the clarification.
Mr. Speaker, I cede my few minutes to my colleague, Mr. Kawira and Mr. Ndegwa.
Mr. Mwenye, the letters appearing on pages 54, 55 to 56. You must be aware that the County Assembly contends that those documents are outright forgeries, correct?
Sorry?
The documents appearing from pages 54 to 56 of the Governor's Volume 1B, you are aware that you contend that those documents are forgeries, correct?
Yes.
And because his allegation was brought out yesterday,
Yes.
and the clerk was here,
Yes.
have you sought the leave of the Speaker or made any attempts to bring the delivery note of these 3 letters that you purport and that you say you are aware they were received by the office of the clerk?
No,
You've not made such an attempt?
we have not made the attempt.
Okay. Is it a coincidence that these 3 letters, and Mr. Speaker, I do not purport to be a forensic examiner or a forensic expert, or a document examiner, rather, but is it a coincidence that these 3 letters that were in different months, in fact, in different years, is it a coincidence that the 3 of them were stamped on the same place, different months, different years?
What do you mean by same place?
Just look at the letterhead of those 3 letters.
They are stamped on different pages.
Stamp, yes, but same place, correct?
Not same.
Okay. I'll leave the honorable senators to draw their own conclusion. Mr. Mwenye, you said that there is a requirement that the County Assembly actually table and adopt a resolution with respect to petitions that are made by members of the public. Is that your position?
Sorry?
Is there a requirement, or what is your position with regard to was there a requirement rather, this is the question, was there a requirement that a resolution be passed by the county assembly for the removal of those officers? That is the chief of staff and the county secretary, pursuant to that public petition. Is there a requirement in law?
The requirement is that the resolution, the report is tabled to back to the county assembly.
No, is there a requirement? Because you say that there's a requirement that a resolution be passed by the county assembly. That there is debate and a resolution passed. Is there such a requirement in law?
The letter makes reference to resolutions of the assembly, not of the committee, of the assembly.
Yes. Let me refer you to that report. That is Honorable Speaker, that is volume 2 of the assembly documents, the exhibits in support of the impeachment motion, at page 140. Page 140 of volume 2 of the county assembly documents. At 5.2, you will see the committee's recommendations. Is that the assembly or the committee's recommendations?
These are the committee's recommendations.
And what is recommendation number 2? That the governor do dismiss the county secretary and the chief of staff, correct?
Yes.
I'll refer you to our volume 4. Our volume 4, Honorable Speaker, the county assembly documents. Volume 4, that is at page 295. Volume 4 of the county assembly documents, that is, those are the standing orders. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Page 295 of volume 4 of the county assembly documents. On committee of petitions, I'll read it out and you tell me whether you agree with it. Every petition presented or reported pursuant to this part shall stand committed to the relevant sectoral committee. 2, whenever a petition is committed to a sectoral committee, the committee shall in not more than 60 calendar days from the time of reading the prayer respond to the petitioner by way of a report addressed to the petitioner or petitioners and laid on the table of the assembly, and no debate. And no debate on or in relation to the report shall be allowed, but the speaker may, in exceptional circumstances, allow comments or observations in relation to the report to the petitions for not more than 20 minutes. So, do you still maintain the position that there needed to be a debate and a resolution passed by the county assembly in light of this standing order on the public petition that was passed by the county assembly of Meru?
You did not get me clearly. I said that the resolution that you are making reference to of the assembly.
Yes.
You said resolutions of the county assembly.
Yes.
Which are in existence. We do not have in the bundle of your documents resolutions of the county assembly adopting that report, and that is that is your allegation.
I'll refer you, Mr. Mwenye, to page. Volume 2, volume 2 of the county assembly documents. Honorable Speaker, the first paragraph. Kindly read out that first paragraph.
Reference is made to the above mentioned subject matter.
The second paragraph, I'm sorry, the second paragraph.
On Wednesday, 13th December 2023, during the afternoon sitting, the Joint Committee on Labor, Public Service and Social Welfare and the Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion presented and lent their response to petition number 5 of 2023 by way of a report of their findings on the alleged gross violations of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and other statutory laws by various county executive committee members and chief officers within the county government of Meru to the assembly.
Mr. Mwenye, what is irregular about this communication by the clerk to the petitioners in view of the fact that that report was laid on the floor?
Yeah, the allegation here is on the county secretary and chief of staff. This particular paragraph I have read does not even mention the county secretary or chief of staff. It is talking about county executive committee
fair enough.
members.
It is the heading. It is a response to which petition? Petition number 5 of 2023, correct?
Let me read.
It is petition number 5 of 2023, correct, Mr. Mwenye?
Mine is not clear.
Honorable Speaker, I think the witness is now filibustering. I'll end it at that. I leave
No,
the
he just said his copy is not clear, and therefore he couldn't read it. Just provide him with a clear copy. We conclude this.
Very well. On my copy, it is petition number 5 of 2023. Can you see that?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, petition number 5 of 2023.
Mr. Mwenye, to the best of your knowledge, is that the petition that was presented by 1611 members of the public?
Sorry?
To the best of your knowledge, Mr. Mwenye, is that the petition that was presented by 1611 members of the public with respect to all these officers, chief officers, CECMs?
Yes, it is.
And the county secretary as well?
Unless I confirm.
Unless you confirm.
Yes.
I leave it at that, Honorable Speaker.
Mr. Mwenye, I'll be very brief with you. Kindly confirm that prior to your admission as an advocate, you underwent a rigorous training in the advocates training program, correct?
I confirm.
And that during that training, you must have interacted with a topic called legal drafting, correct?
Legal drafting?
You must have been trained in legal drafting, correct or not correct?
Correct.
And as such, I refer you to the opinion by the questioned opinion by Advocate Linda. In that drafting, you are taught on how to do legal document, correct or not correct?
Correct.
For example, you are taught on how to draft a letter, yes?
Yes.
And any other legal correspondence, correct?
Yes.
And you are told the characters that must appear on any legal document, yes?
Not all.
You are taught on the characters that must appear on any legal document, yes or no?
Yes.
And as such, in any legal document, there must be an identification of the person drafting that document, yes?
Yes.
Kindly look at that document.
I am on it.
Does it bear the person drafting it?
Yes.
Look at where the signature is purportedly embossed or placed. Does it bear the person drafting it?
Yes, legal advisor.
No. What is the name of the person who drafted that document?
The name is not there, but the title is.
That is not there, correct?
Yes.
That is what you are taught in law school, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Let me finally ask you one more question. You communicated to the Senate that you also act as a legal advisor, correct?
Sorry?
You said that you advised the governor,
Yes.
in conjunction with Linda, on how to deal with that issue of the CEO, correct?
Yes.
And that you acted as a legal advisor, correct?
Yes.
What is your job description? What is your job description, Mr. Mwenye?
To advise the governor.
What is your constitutional job description? Are you a legal advisor or are you a CEC?
I am a CEC.
You are a CEC.
Yes.
Who also doubles up as a legal advisor, correct?
That is part of my.
I'm asking who also doubles up.
Yes.
So you have two job descriptions, correct?
Part of advice.
You have two job descriptions, Mr. Mwenye.
No.
Kindly look at the TA, Transitional Authority document appearing on volume 3, volume 2, at page page? That one, the Transition Authority. Ulikuwa umetoa. The Transition Authority, you had it. A moment.
Page 2, it is page 191.
Page 191.
Of volume 2.
Volume 2. Is it that one? See, okay, just get it. But before we go to that, as I look for it, Mr. Munene, you are aware? Mr. Munene?
Yes.
176. Wachana na katiba. Haiko hapo. One. Page 178, Honorable Senators. You are aware that there was a transitional authority that was constituted that was to oversee the transition from the local government to the county government, correct?
I'm aware.
And that during that particular of trying to formulate the county government, they issued a communique dated 16th of September 2013, correct?
Correct.
And that document creates the offices that were to work under the governor's office, yes?
Yes.
And that you, as a CEC, is part of what is contemplated, yes?
No, it is not. CC is in the County Government Act. It's not in the transition.
Honorable Senators, I'm looking at page 108, 180 of that document. Yes? Volume 2, page 180. Mr. Munene?
Yes, I'm there.
Can you see where there is a provision for the legal advisor?
Yes.
Are you the legal advisor to the governor?
No.
Thank you. No further questions.
The County Assembly, are you done with your cross-examination?
Yes, Honorable Speaker.
Okay. The Council for Governor, you may re-examine your witness.
Mr. Mwenye, I'll have a few questions for you, just for clarification.
Thank you.
Council for the Assembly starting point was on the governor's legal advisor.
Yes.
How many advisors does the governor have?
3. We have a political advisor, economic advisor, and legal advisor.
Mr. Mwenye, are you among the legal advisors?
No.
Thank you. You have been shown the legal advisory through an internal memo that was issued by the legal advisor. To you, is that in contention?
It is not.
As a legal practitioner, was it necessary for the name to be indicated?
Not necessary. It's an internal memo. It's actually it's a legal advice, not a legal opinion, as I did.
Thank you. Is there an active matter in court between the said Linda Kiome and the Honorable Governor?
There is.
Has that matter been determined yet?
No, it's still active.
Thank you. You are shown an affidavit by Linda Kiome. Do you have that affidavit with you?
Yes, I do.
When was the notice of intention to terminate issued?
It is dated 26th March 2024.
Was there a subsisting relationship as of December 2023, as a matter of fact?
Yes, there was.
Thank you. An insinuation or innuendo was passed that the advisor was unavailable completely. Are you in a position to confirm whether it was sporadic appearance or total shutdown, unavailability?
She was not totally unavailable. She was available, but there was perennial absence that was noted.
Thank you for that clarification.
And the other
That will
thing
be
is
all.
that she was still earning a salary, so she was still an employee of the governor. She earned a salary up until the date of the lapse of the notice. She was an employee until 30th April 2024. A legal advisor.
Thank you, Mr. Mwenye. That will be all for this witness.
Honorable Senators, for those who wish to seek for clarification or questions or pose questions to the witness, this is the moment. Senator Muma.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I have some 2 or 3 questions to you, witness. The first question relates to charge number 1. Is there a difference between revocation and dismissal or removal from office? That is question number